we're gonna go outside and check something, right?
Okay. Want me to get shoes on?
Yeah, shoes on.
Not
Yeah.
drunk thief, even when the pressure's on. Don't let it get to your head. Ooh, just gotta be a little bit patient. Patience is all we need. Just gotta be a little bit patient. Patience is all we need. There's so many things in life that we gotta do before we can commit. Like taking care of your own self and making sure.
By the way, his congratulations is 10,000 follower.
Right. Congratulations. Thank you so much for 10,000 followers. I didn't think it would happen so fast. So, thank you.
Thank you, thank you. What is your next goal? Is
$1 million?
million? Yes.